Hi, boys and girls. For this activity, you're going to practice labeling these different school supplies. The first thing that you're going to want to do is write your name on the top of your paper. Then I want you to look down here. I see a word bank. That means that the author gave you words to choose from to help you label your pictures. Let's try to sound these words out together. Ruler, ruler. Do you know what a ruler is? That's right. That's this guy right here. A ruler helps us measure things. So with your pencil, can you write the word ruler in the box? You can either copy the word or you can use Stretchy Snake to sound it out. This word says ack, ack, backpack. Can you find the picture of the backpack and label it? Great job. The next word is scissors. Can you find the scissors and write the word to label the picture? The last word is pencil. Can you find the pencil and label it? Great job! Keep practicing how to label your pictures.